Hi, and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. The different types of cardstocks often can be confusing for stampers. So today I'm just going to spend a few minutes going over the different types of papers and their weights so that you can choose a paper that's best conducive to your project. The first one I'm starting with is regular Whisper White cardstock. This also comes in very vanilla as well. It is an 80-pound paper and it's a general cardstock, which means you can use any type of ink on it. That would be dye-based, pigment, Versamark, or even a solvent-based ink like StazOn. It is the most common white cardstock used here in the studio. The next type of cardstock is the thick cardstock, and it comes in Whisper White and very vanilla as well. This is a 100-pound cardstock weight, and I love this for card bases as well as when I use alcohol-based Stampin' Blends markers. The paper is a lot more absorbent, which is going to make the blending a lot easier and the colors more predominant when you are finished. This thicker cardstock also makes wonderful 3D projects, so consider using it when creating boxes or other 3D types of work. This next cardstock is called Shimmery White, and I sure hope you can appreciate the glimmer on this. It is beautiful. The glimmer is built on both sides, so it doesn't matter what side of the paper that you use for stamping. It is 89 pounds in weight. You can stamp or emboss on it. And here's a tip about the Shimmery White cardstock that you might not know. It is wonderful for watercoloring. So if you stamp it in StazOn ink or you heat emboss your image, you can use an aqua painter or a paintbrush to color it in. It is very resilient to water, and the shimmer shows through, which is just another wonderful detail of this beautiful shimmer cardstock. Great for specialty cards, wedding and favors, as well as holiday cards. This last paper is watercolor paper, and it's the Fluid 100 watercolor paper. This paper is 100% cotton, and it weighs 111 pounds. It's archival quality, and it will work with any type of ink pad. However, I find it best with either StazOn ink, Versamark ink if you're going to heat emboss, or Memento ink. Keep in mind it has a slightly different type of surface than the other cardstocks I shared with you, specifically because it's intended for a lot of water usage. In addition to being able to watercolor with it, you can also use it for other water type techniques in card making. You're going to be able to find all of these wonderful products in the Stampin' Up! Annual catalog. There's also a brand new holiday catalog that's just come out, and if you don't have a current demonstrator and you would like complimentary copies, I would be more than happy to send them to you. Whether you're watercoloring, you love a touch of shimmer, want some thick paper for alcohol blends or thick base cards, or just need regular white cardstock, Stampin' Up's product line is definitely for you. If you have enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up here on YouTube, and while you're there, make sure you click on the subscribe button. You don't want to miss any of the project ideas that I'll be sharing in the coming weeks. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.